Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to use full screen interactive on Google Slide. Okay, so why you need full screen interactive? Because when you try to when you present your slideshow to your student or member, and sometimes you need to show something or you need to move your objects, and you wanted to move your objects, but in full screen on slideshow you unable to move any objects. So I will show you how you can do this with presentation while presentation. So first we need to use one Chrome extension called full interactive Google extension. So first go to the Google and search Chrome web store and open it. The Chrome web store will be open. Now search interactive Google slides on this search bar, then this extension will become. So I use this extension which is called full screen interactive Google slides. So just open it, just add to your Chrome browser. So it's take few minutes to add. It will take a few seconds, I think. Yeah, it is adding. Wait for meantime you can subscribe my channel. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, it is add now, or you can pin it on top. When you click on pin, it will be show here. Now just come to the Google slide and click on this full screen check to Google slide. Now you can see your presentation now full screen mode, and now you can move your objects from anywhere. Okay, so you can use toolbar also. So you can also use without this Chrome extension. Okay, so open your slide and press the F11, then full screen will be enabled. Now you can also you can move your objects and with full screen presentation. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.